Some might see concrete just as concrete. Stairs are simply stairs, and walls might be obstacles to get somewhere. To others it reveals a challenge, a stepping stone, a canvas, to give the world some color and envision more than function. To be clear, this is not an active choice. When you see city life as motivation instead of destination, you're sparking the art of limitless creating. A common ground, a shared purpose. Our world isn't perfect, opportunity not equal, but in every human being lives stories to be told. A collective inner voice, a consciousness connecting through the language of the soul. The ability to grow through every obstacle, conquer and blossom from the pavement cracks. We are meant to be motion moving forward, not in concrete, but the abstract idea of what it means to express ourselves as artists. We need the city's canvas, a bolting thunder lighting up the sparks beneath our feet as we are beating rhythms, breaking patterns, tending to the city's garden as we water our community. Wherever we leave our mark, what we leave is unity.